On this channel, I'm going to show you how to receive an NFT reward from the obvious wallet by doing just only 3 quests. So to do that, to check on the quests, let me show you how you can check that if you qualify or not. Click on more at the extreme bottom here. Click on more, and then you click on quests. Quests is here. Click on quests. So these quests are expiring on March 30th. So if immediately you complete the quests, you receive an NFT after 7 days. So I just completed my quests today, so I'll be receiving an NFT reward 7 days from now after I click on claim reward. So click on this. So how do you qualify? So how do you qualify for the quest NFT reward? So you qualify. One is send tokens to a wallet. So I already did the video, so you just send tokens to any other wallet, as you can read here. So I send any token on any chain to a different wallet. I did that already. I'll show you the video. I'll link the description of the video below. So you have completed this task. Yes, I did this task already. So the next one is swap tokens. I also did the video on how to swap tokens. So you have completed it. I also did this. I also swapped tokens. Swap tokens within any chain on any of your wallet. I did this. And then today, a few minutes ago, I also bridged tokens. Bridging tokens means bridge any token from any chain to a different chain on any of your wallet. So I'm going to link all the 3 videos below in the description of this video, so that you can also do the quests and claim the reward. So after doing all the 3 quests, you click on claim reward. So collect reward. Click collect reward. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the quest and the reward will be airdropped into your wallet within 7 days. So you click on OK. So that's how you complete the reward. So after 7 days, I'll show you the NFT reward I got. So thank you.